Hi, everybody. Welcome back to AJ Science and Tech channel. Today, we will jump into the mind-blowing universe of plant germination, the actual underpinning of a vegetation cycle. Everything starts with this little marvel, the seed. Inside its defensive shell lies the potential for an entirely different plant. We should separate the interesting system of how this change occurs. Seeds come in all shapes and sizes. However, they all share one thing, practically speaking, the potential forever. Inside each seed, there's an incipient organism, a little plant holding on to a rise. The magic begins when the seed encounters water. It's absorbed through tiny openings in the seed coat, softening it and waking the seed from its dormancy. Once water penetrates the seed, enzymes within the embryo spring into action. These enzymes break down stored nutrients, like starches and proteins, into forms that the growing plant can use. And there it is. The first sign of life, the radicle. It's the embryonic root that anchors the plant into the soil and starts absorbing water and minerals. At the same time, a shoot begins to grow above the soil. It's composed of a stem and cotyledons, the plant's first leaves. These can vary in number and function, depending on the plant. The epically, the region between the cotyledons and the tip of the shoot, will give rise to the plant's true leaves and branches. As it grows, it pushes the cotyledons above the ground. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for. The shoot pushes through the soil, emerging into the sunlight. With access to light, the plant begins photosynthesis. It produces its own food, using sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. And from this humble beginning, the plant continues to grow, producing more leaves, stems, flowers, and, in many cases, delicious fruits. So, there you have it, the captivating journey of plant germination. It's a testament to the resilience and wonder of nature. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow plant enthusiasts. Thanks for joining us today.